I am so glad na nakaabot ako sa traffic. But anyway, we are. Yeah, I'm very glad to be. We are JG Productions. Is very glad to be part of this big event this Christmas, the Metro Manila Film Festival, and just being part of this event and this group of movies that is going to be shown this Christmas is worthwhile for all of us. We had a hard we had a hard time working on this. Medyo ninervous kami kasi apat na lang yung mapipili sa festival. And then marami pang mga entries na mga, at least it was like 40 or 30 plus. 30, and apat na last na pipiliin, and it was nerve-wracking for us. So I'm so glad that we're here. When I met you in Tokyo and the other movies, I'm very proud na nakasama po kami dito sa grupo to, because this film festival is going to be very different from the film festival before. Ang gaganda ng mga pelikula natin, and thank God we're part of this. Anyway, thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to each and every one. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and God bless you all.
Thank you, Papa Bo. See you at the parade. Ating mga pelikula po ito